Hello, let's go! Magluluto tayo ng paksiw na ulo. Today, Sunday. Alright. Yan po. I-arrange natin bago lagyan ng panako. So, first, lagyan natin ng ginger, loya. Then, second, garlic. Alright. Then, nor, cubes. Black pepper. Okay. So next, sweet peppercorn. Alright. And then vinegar. Estimated only because I don't want more to water after this. Okay. And green chili long, jalapeno chili. Alright, let's go. It's ready now to cook. Okay. So we have the last onion. Okay, it's ready. Okay, friend, to cook now. And close. Maybe half hour. Because first, word and then slowly. Like that, half hour or 40 minutes. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.